आज का वीडियो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। आज हम बताएंगे इम्पोर्टेंट बेयर एक्ट जो आप AIBE एग्ज़ाम में ले जा सकते हैं। नोट, ये कोई ऑफिशियल लिस्ट नहीं है, ये मेरे द्वारा प्रिपरेशन और एग्ज़ाम हॉल के लिए बनाई गई लिस्ट है। आप पेन कॉपी लेकर इसे नोट कर सकते हैं। 1. The Companies Act, 2013 2. The right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement. Act, 2013-3. The Trademarks Act, 1999 4. The Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act, 2001. 5. The Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Designs Act, 2000. 6. The Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act, 1999. 7. The Biological Diversity Act, 2002. 8. The Copyright Act, 1957. 9. The Designs Act, 2010. The Patent Act, 1970. 11. The Indian Contract Act, 1872. 12. The Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. 13. The Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956. 14. The Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. 15. The Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, 1956. 16. The Hindu Succession Act, 1956. 17. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act, 2019. 18. The Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act, 1939. 19. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, 1986. 20. The Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act, 1937. 21. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Rules, 1986. 22. The Transfer of Property Act, 1882. 23. The Limitation Act, 1963. 24. The Indian Evidence Act, 1872. 25. The Specific Relief Act, 1963. 26. The Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. 27. The Advocate Act, 1961. 28. The Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881. 29. The Information Technology Act, 2030. The Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. 31. The Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973. 32. The Indian Penal Code, 1860. 33. The Environment Protection Act, 1986. 34. The Forest Conservation Act, 1980. 35. The Public Liability Insurance Act, 1991. 36. The Compensatory Afforestation Fund Act, 2016. 37. The Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. 38. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. 39. The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974. 40. The National Green Tribunal Act, 2010. 41. The Indian Forest Act, 1927. 42. The Constitution of India, 1950. 43. Industrial Disputes Act, 1947. 44. Trade Unions Act, 1926. 45. Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act, 1946. 46. Payment of Wages Act, 1936. 47. Employees Compensation Act, 1923. 48. Minimum Wages Act, 1948. 49. Factories Act, 1948. 50. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019. Complete preparation के लिए Administrative Law, Public Interest Litigation and Tax Law किसी गाइड से रेड करके जाए। बेस्ट विशेस फॉर ऑल एप्लीकेंट्स। अगर आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन यूजफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, शेयर करें जिससे इन्फॉर्मेशन एप्लीकेंट तक पहुंच जाए। क्रिएटेड बाय एडवोकेट जितेंद्र अग्रवाल।